Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect and discuss the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions.
Today,
We're diving into the world of home entertainment with a closer look at the BenQ GP500 projector.
Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Alright, let's get started.
The BenQ GP500 is not your average projector.
It's a powerhouse packed into a sleek, portable design.
With its 4K resolution and clever 360-degree audio, it promises to transform any space into a vibrant home cinema experience.
First things first, let's talk about design.
The GP500 may look chunky, but it's designed with portability in mind. It's a bit of a beast at 5.4 kilograms, but that weight comes with a purpose, delivering top-notch performance wherever you go.
Now, what about connectivity?
This projector isn't lacking in that department. It features two HDMI outputs, one with ARC, and two USB ports for added flexibility.
Plus, it's got integrated Android TV, giving you access to all your favorite streaming services right out of the box.
Setting up the GP500 is a breeze, although I did encounter a minor hiccup with the remote control pairing initially. But once that was sorted, it was smooth sailing. The auto adjustment features, including autofocus and auto keystone, ensure you get a perfectly aligned image every time.
Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the picture quality. With its 4K resolution and HDR support, the GP500 delivers crisp, vibrant images that truly pop.
Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or playing the latest video game, you'll be immersed in stunning visuals.
And let's not forget about the sound.
The GP500 comes equipped with four 5-watt speakers, delivering powerful audio that fills the room. While it may not replace a dedicated sound system, it's more than capable of enhancing your viewing experience.
So, should you buy the BenQ GP500?
If you're in the market for a high-quality projector that offers excellent image and sound quality, then absolutely. However, if Dolby Vision support is a must-have for you, you might want to consider other options.
And that's a wrap for today's review. I hope you found this video helpful.
Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts.
And be sure to tune in next time for more in-depth product critiques. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.